This is not for everybody, and I can live with that. I've got no problem with that. When the student is ready, the right teacher will be there. So either one, that student isn't ready, or I'm not the right teacher for him. And either way, that's okay by me. There are 5 archetypes. There are 5 types of personalities within the teaspoon philosophy. The first one is the teacher. The teacher is somebody that taking the knowledge that they have and converting it to understanding, and that understanding into something practical, and then transfer that information to somebody else. They're not caught in rah-rah. It's not about the excitement. It's not about, I am the authority. They want to share the information that they've gained, the understanding that they've learned. Ironically, that's what sets them apart as the authority. The sentiment of a teacher is, I stir information until it becomes knowledge, and I stir that knowledge until it is practical for others to live. All wrapped up in a beautiful icon of, a book. Not a graduation cap that's too ceremonial. It's about patience, development,